Happy Easter to every one of you. How are you guys doing? Guys, I hope you are enjoying the Easter celebration. Today is a Easter Sunday. We are preparing to go to church right now. Yeah, so let me open this vlog here. I hope you're going to stay tuned and enjoy today's vlog. So I will see you guys on our way to church, okay? Because right now we are running a little bit late. Yeah, so see you guys later, guys. Guys, we are done with a church service. Yeah, it was powerful. Like today's service was so great. So Sunday school we talk about being obedient. If you do not trust like somebody, there's no way you can be obedient to the person. So just as we trust God, that's why we need to be obedient to his commandments. Yeah. So and the main preaching is all about faith and the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Yeah. So it was great today. Yeah, and right now we're supposed to go back to the house, but most of the time, like Christmas or Easter, like we normally eat out, and that's where we are going right now. We're on our way to Chinese. Yeah, so I'll be taking you guys along, and I hope you guys are enjoying the Easter with your family as well. So I will talk to you guys later. Yeah. Guys, we are back from a Chinese restaurant. Yeah. Yeah. And this is the gift they gave us. We don't even really know what is inside. So let's go ahead and open it and see what is inside. What is that? Uh-oh. So this is the gift they gave us, guys. Look at it. We really celebrated the Easter Sunday so well. Yeah. So we are back home. We are just here relaxing and watching our Netflix. Yeah, so I hope you really enjoy, celebrating our Easter Sunday with us. So we are going to be ending this vlog here. And thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time, thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
And if you're new, you can watch all of the video from down to up.
Yeah, from down to up. So we'll see you guys in our next video, guys. Bye for now. Bye-bye.